Sometimes we do not want to fetch first rows when limiting the results. Sometimes we want to fetch, for example, from the 5th row or from the 10th row, just to check on the consistency of the data, for example. Let's go to example to see how this works. So on my HR schema, with the following query with which we are already familiar with, I'm fetching only the first 5 rows from the employees table. But what if I wanted to fetch from the 6th row and the following 5? So the offset keyword comes now into action. It is written in front of the fetch as follows. Offset, for example, 5 rows, and the remaining clause stays the same. Let's execute this. And as we can see, we got results from the employee ID 105 to 109, right? So these are the following 5 records. Important thing for the exam, if the number of the offset is 0, we're gonna get the results of 5 rows from the initial query, and this part is practically omitted. If we put the offset to a negative number, again, it's gonna default to 0, and we're gonna get results as this part is again omitted. If the offset is much greater than the complete result set, so for example, if I would enter some absurd number like 3000, we're not gonna get any results back, as the offset goes outside of the possibly returned rows. So I know that we have 107 records in our employees table, but if I enter the offset, for example, 104, it's gonna offset 104 rows and return remaining results, but not 5 of them, but only that are after the offset. Important thing to remember for the exam. Try those examples by yourself, have fun with it, and see you in the next one.